The 26-kilometer-long mega roadshow by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Bengaluru today, ahead of Karnataka Assembly elections, drew a large gathering throughout the route. The death toll in the Manipur carnage increased to 54, officials said. Life returned to a very normalcy in Imphal Valley on Saturday as shops and markets reopened and cars started plying on the roads. The Meghalaya government has begun evacuating students of the state stranded in strife-torn Manipur. Altogether, 66 Meghalaya students from Meghalaya studying in the Central Agricultural University, Imphal, have landed at Guwahati Airport on Friday evening in the first phase of the evacuation. India on Saturday recorded 2,961 COVID infection in a day, while active cases dipped to 30,041 from 33,232 a day earlier. Olympic champion javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra began his Diamond League title defense with a comfortable win in the season opening leg in Doha last night.